Okay, here's another good example of a Zippo lighter with the logo on front. Now, as you can see right here on this one of the tin signs, Zippo likes their big flame in that particular configuration. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box. Genuine Zippo, made in the USA, and this one says Leather Flame, made in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the box. And you can see that it is a brass Zippo. And that is a sticker. It's not leather, it just has a leather look. But it's that same flame shape. It also has the Zippo logo on front. And this one looks like it was made in D. Looks like D of 15, so that was, let's see, April. It's about a year old. It's got a pretty nice look. It's a leather look. Really good sound. It has a brass insert. Nice flame. That is the leather look from Zippo on a brass body. Really a nice Zippo. So let's do a drop test on this. 18-inch drop test. No rattle. Lid still works, still flames. Let's do a lit drop test from about 18 inches. And you can see it stayed lit from 18 inches. Didn't loosen it up. Still works good. That is a Zippo with a leather look. And I'm going to put that over here with a few others that have the same type of flame look with the logo. They all have the logo and the flame. So you can see that first one there. Yeah, it's got the Zippo logo right there. They all have the logo and that nice flame. So that's a pretty good brass Zippo, and I would say it deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.